Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to make an unboxing video with an iPhone 6 on it. So, hold on. Where's the fucking iPhone by the way?
Inside.
Okay. Hold on, do you buy? Holy shit, another iPhone. Alright, so this is iPhone 6X.
Yeah, secondhand.
Which is a secondhand, probably, I think. So yeah, the condition is still looking good and stuff. So this is how the from the back looks like, and this is how the front looks like. So let's see here what we got. So as you can see, we got some, what is this, earphone, some cable, and some charger for your cable. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much and goodbye.
You don't want to open?
Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to open this shit?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it cannot be opened. So this is this thing. Rosa, fuck. So yeah,
open
that's it.
This shit.
I don't know. I'm using fucking Huawei, mate.
Huawei.
Honor.
Yeah. Open already.
Holy shit. So here we go, everyone.
Yes.
This is
Let's
iPhone
check
6.
inside.
This is fun. Woo! iPhone 6.
Oh.
Boom. So here we go. iPhone 6,
Yeah.
everybody.
CS. iPhone CS.
Yes, as you
Like
can see.
this.
This is iPhone 6s. So what's the difference between iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, and others iPhone? Because this is iPhone. There's nothing more different than others. And the camera,
We
as you can see,
increase the cost.
kinda good, I guess.
Yeah,
I know.
pretty good.
And we got HDR, which is we can off and on. And we can also make an auto.
Yeah.
Also we got some video, which is actually looking very nice, you know. We got slow-mo, which I really like it, you know. Look, it's really good and stuff. And yeah, that's it for iPhone 6. Goodbye.
Okay. Thank you for the unboxing second hand iPhone for today.